It was invented by Taichi Ono. Taichi Ono invented the JIT methodology. It was first developed and preferred within the Toyota manufacturing plant by Taichi Ono as a means of meeting consumer demand with minimum delays. Taichi Ono is frequently referred to as the father of JIT. Yes, he coined the term JIT. How it is used in business? Suppose you are asking how it is used in business. Basically, JIT system is popular with small business and major corporations also because it provides more efficient use of working capital and enhanced cash flow. It can reduce the amount of capital required to get the business up and running. Less money is typed less money is used in unused inventory. This means it helps us to save our money. It helps us to recall that don't use your resource in unused inventories. It also helps us to reduce our storage expenditure. It helps us to create to maintain extra space. When we are not going to collect the inventory, then it will not ask for extra storage system, extra storage place, or any space or any other space. When we are going to call, when we are going to utilize, when we are going to ask our inventory at the time of operation, then it means we are going to leave the storage space problem or the excess amount which is going to be used in storage activities. So this is the JIT. I would like to recall JIT system is a production system. It was known. It is known as Toyota production system also, and it helps us to reduce our loss, waste. It is a socio-technic system, integrated socio-technic system developed by Toyota. Mr. Ono invented it, just in time production, and it helps us to cut the cost of our products. It's a common inventory system. Some examples are Dell, Toyota, Harley Davidson. It is used in small sector as well as in big organizations also. It is helpful in supply chain management system also. It is used in inventory system also. It helps us in our production system also, but basically it is like a catalyst. It reduces our loss, our excess amount in inventory activities. It saves our times. The advantage is saves our times. It saves our times in production, in customer meeting activities, customer relationship management also it is used. So all these are the benefits of JIT. JIT refers just in time and Toyota system. It helps us to perform continuous improvement also. It helps us to respect the people also. The right process will, as we know, the right process will produce the right result. So JIT supports the right system, right procedure for the better result. It add value to the organization by developing your people and partners. It has a tendency to solve the root problems. It also helps us to manage our workplace, and it is a basic term, it is a common term which is used in production system. So the goals of JIT is like to elimination of waste time on hand. When any person, any employees is waiting for any task, JIT remove all these type of wastage. Wastage of overproduction, larger waste, wastage of transportation, waste of processing itself, wastage of excess inventory, and wastage of movement, wastage of making defective production, wastage of unwanted works. The first official description about Toyota, it was in 1960 to 1970. Just in time meaning making only what is needed. Just in time, what is needed at that time. Making only what is needed. And only when it is needed. As I told you, only when it is needed. And only in the amount that is needed. So what is needed, when it is needed, and in how much amount it is needed. This is just in time program. So all these are about just in time program. You will have to write some only short note on JIT, and I have given you the full material on JIT. When you will try to write some long answer on JIT, you can write down. Thank you.